When you see multiplication, use division to solve. And when you see division, use multiplication to solve. Go ahead and take time now to pause the video so you can write these two things down in your notes. Once you're done, click play. So these I'm just going to ask you to watch. Notice again, whenever you see multiplication, you're going to use division to solve. So I'm basically seeing 5 times x is equal to 25. So to solve for it, I'm going to do divide by 5. And notice I'm still focusing on what number is connected to the variable. That's the number I need to get rid of. So 5 divided by 5 is going to give me 1x, or just x. And 25 divided by 5 will give me 5. So the first answer here would be x is equal to 5. Again, you can check your work by plugging in whatever you said x was equal to. If 5 is 5 times 5, 25, it is, so that means I got my answer correct. Same thing over here. I have 6x is equal to 3. To get x by itself, I have to do the opposite of what's being happened to it. Right now, 6 is being multiplied with x, so to undo it, I'm going to divide by 6. 6 divided by 6 is just going to give me 1x, or x. 3 divided by 6 is going to give me 0.5. So 0.5 would be my answer. Again, I can plug this in back to the equation to make sure my answer is correct. 6 times 0.5 is 3. For these over here on the right side of the screen, you see division happening, and anytime you see division, you use multiplication to solve for it. So you're basically undoing what's happening with the variable. Since I see divided by 4, the opposite of that is times by 4. So I'm going to do that to both sides. When you divide something by 4 and then times it by 4, it basically undoes it, so those 4's will cancel out, so all I'm left with is y. And then we have 11 times 4, and that's going to give me 44. Again, you can plug in your answer. Is 44 divided by 4 equal to 11? Yes, so that's my correct answer. On the screen also is a division problem. Y over 12 also means y divided by 12, and that's going to be equal to 3. So you're essentially multiplying by 12 on both sides. 12 times a divided by 12 will cancel out, so all you're left with will be y, and then 3 divided by 12 will give you your answer. That means my answer is going to be equal to 36. Again, I can and say, is 36 over 12 equal to 3? It is, so y is equal to 36 is correct.